फाटलो एक म्हयनो जालो हळदोणा वाठारांत रेबीज फ्री मिशना मार्फत मोनजातीची देखभाल करप जाता. आतां मेरेन 400 वयर मोनजातीची ऑपरेशनां लोकांनी करून घेतल्यात. रेबीज सारकिल्या भिरांकूळ दुयेंसाचेर मात करपाक हो उपक्रम राबयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा हळदोणच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस.
How do we identify our rabies?
Yeah, see, we teach children how to identify the rabies dog. See, rabies dog have got some symptoms, how we can recognize. So we tell children how to recognize which dog is rabies dog, which dog is good dog. See, the rabies dog is always, it runs aimlessly here and there. It goes and biting people, biting objects, biting animals or anything which come across, it goes on biting. And there is hallucination. Hallucination means it jumps here and there. It thinks that something is there in the air, but there is nothing. That is called hallucination. And the hydrophobia. It doesn't, it gets scared of the water because the throat becomes paralyzed. It can't drink water. So that there is a salivation. There is continuously the saliva coming from the mouth of the dog. And saliva contains high concentration of viruses, so that's very, very dangerous, and it gets scared of the sound, so it always want to hide to the darker place. It doesn't want to come to the light. So these are the symptoms of rabies dog, and the bone becomes paralyzed. It doesn't look like a healthy dog. It's always like paralyzed.
Both work in educating schools about how to go about a dog, how to deal with a bitten dog, what precautions to be taken. We are educating everyone and every possible person in Goa.
See, Mission Rabies started in Goa in 2013. It's working in 3 different major areas. That is vaccinating the street dogs, pet dogs, and that is the first area. And second is also the education, the awareness program which is happening in entire Goa. And third is ABC, Animal Birth Control Operation, that is which is happening at present here in Aldona, and also we have a ITC center in Asagaon.